Okay, really quick for the Jeep. Anyway, I just ordered this and got it. Sorry about the lighting. It's dark here. So this will mount a CB type antenna. I attached my own little spade connector there so I could connect radials to this. And so I bought, all this stuff will be on Amazon, but this bracket is pretty nice here. The tire goes on top of it, so you have to get everything right before you put it on. I put this on like 3 times. The other part is this antenna connector here, and it comes with a cable about 9 feet long, but there's others. Anyway, I'm all set up. I got the pliers and I put this down really tight, just put this all back on. This came with a hole that was too small, so I had to try to use one of these kinds of drill bits here to make this hole bigger. Now, this is the, and I'm not sure what size it is. I always forget these measurements, but this is the CB type antenna. And so I have this chameleon. Well, there's a lot of these whips. They're kind of expensive, but this is this will do 20 meters really well. And this is the kind of antenna it is. It'll screw into this here. It's the kind of the, and of course this is really tall. So we'll be doing some adventures with this type of bracket. Also, this is a 40 meter, what do you call these, ham sticks? 40 meter ham sticks. And you can adjust it here up and down, of course. And I got it 1.1 without any radials today, just messing around. So this will also just screw right in just like a CB antenna. And so we will be setting this up. What I like about this is the antenna is just ready to go. So if you drive up a mountain or something, which we will be doing soon, it's just ready, your antenna is ready to go. You don't have to set up. So the only downside, if there's a tire here, kind of can't get to it. And I'm kind of committed to this cable now, which thankfully on a Jeep, you can do something like this and just throw it in the back. So I think I'm all set up. I just thought I'd show you that. Adventure coming soon.